Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about how to set up a momentum scanner and an overreaction scanner on thinkorswim. This is a game changer because you're gonna be able to find out all those stocks that most people miss out. Alright? As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you're looking for a new broker, under this video you're gonna be able to see a link for Webull or thinkorswim so you can get some free stocks. Alright, let's get started. We're gonna go and set up a momentum scanner. We're gonna start setting it up first. Right? So the first thing we're gonna do after you log in to your thinkorswim platform, you're gonna go here to scan. All right, you're gonna go all the way right here to load query. Right here. All right, and you're gonna go create scan query. Since this is gonna be the momentum scanner, we're gonna call it hashtag momentum scanner. All right, now first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna amplify this. All right, so we see these three filters. The first one we're gonna use is gonna be close. So we're gonna look here for close. We're looking for stock that close within the $1 to, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do 50. All right, you can look for anything specifically, right? You can it's all gonna depend how big is your account and how big of a stock are you willing to buy. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do $1 to 50. Now right here, the next one is gonna be volume. It's already there, so we're gonna look for a minimum of 150,000 on volume. Why? Right? Because if we don't have enough volume, it's harder for us to go in a position and harder to go get out of a position. So 150,000 will be the minimum, right? Maximum, it doesn't matter. We can leave it right there. Like it's always the more volume, the better. All right. Now here we're gonna go to stock percentage change. All right. We're gonna go with 3%. And the reason why we're gonna go with 3% is because we want a stock that has changed a minimum of 3%, right? And why don't we want to do it stock that has changed 1% or 2%? It's because 1 or 2% is not enough. It can be a false momentum and then it can start dipping down. So 3% is that minimum. And why don't we want to set the minimum to 5, 10, or 15? Is because with 5, 10, and 15%, we already miss out of that momentum, right? So we want to be right there when that momentum is happening. Okay, now we're gonna go here and add one more filter, and we're gonna go down to study. You're gonna go right here, you're gonna go to price performance, look out for price direction. All right, we're gonna leave the price direction that close has increased over the last 3 bars, right? And 3 bars means it's gonna depend. So right now we have it here on the day. So 3 bars mean during the last 3 days. So all this stuff happened within the last 3 days. All right. So it closed. It was increasing during the last 3 days. Now, if you are a day trader, you wanna have this on the 1-minute chart, right? If you are a swing trader, I recommend you have it on the 1 hour, 4 hour, or even the day one. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna go to the 4 hours, right? Now, if you're a day trader, you wanted 3 consecutive bars, right? So it will be during the last 3 minutes. But for the purpose of this video, since we're doing it more for like a swing trading, we're gonna go to 2 bars. So that means in the last 8 hours, the price has increased at least 3%, right? Now we're gonna save it. Now to look up for this stock, for this scanner, you're gonna go load scan query, personal. You can see I had it before. I just did it again for the purpose of this video. go right here. We see we have the 150, we have everything, and then scan. And then right here we have all this stuff. We found 85 different ones. I always like to set it up by percentage from less to more, from the least one to the biggest change. And then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna start using your quick chart and starting to look for different ones. And then after you find out a couple that you like, make sure this is not the only thing you're gonna do. Then you have to start researching in the company just to find out what's the company about, because you want to know about the company. You want to, if you're gonna invest in a company, you want to trust that company. You just don't want to just throw money just because. All right. And then if you like one of these stocks, then you can look at it in a bigger picture. And then you can see based on what we were doing the 4 hour, and now we can see here what's going on. All right, so now let's go back to scan. All right, let's eliminate this right here. And now let's go and set up an overreaction scanner. All right, so we go back here to load query, create scan query, right? And we're gonna call this one hashtag overreactions. Okay, let's put it up here. So let's go right here. Extended, right? So the first thing we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna go for the close right here. Then now we're gonna look for the type of stock that you're looking, the price range, right? For overreaction, the minimum I like is $10. And then obviously infinite amount, but you can set it up the way you want. Why not less than $10? Because usually stocks that are less than $10 tend to be a little more overreacted, and I don't like that. Why do we set up an overreaction scanner? Because we love stocks that get deep down overreacted, because usually they get overcorrected. Right? So using our RSI, if you don't know, if you have not watched our video about the RSI indicator, you can click the link above on the video, and it will explain you. You will be able to learn how to use the RSI indicator, right? So we're gonna be able to see all these stock that get over sold, and we are able to get a good entry. Now, for the purpose of overreaction, instead of 150,000, I like a volume of 200,000. Right? The more volume, the better. Right? So we want enough volume so we can go in whenever we want and get out whenever we want from a stock. Let me fix this real quick. Okay, now, the next thing we're gonna do right here, we're gonna change it. We're gonna delete this filter right here, right? And we're gonna add another filter, means study. Now this is the best part, and pay attention because it's kind of like, it's not hard, but it's the more tricky one. So we're gonna go right here to the study. We're gonna go down to custom, right? This right here is gonna pull up. You're gonna go edit. Gonna look right here for study, right? Look right here for RSI. All right. When we have the RSI, all this right here is gonna stay the same. So right here we're gonna click on cross below start value. We know that the oversold value is 30, right? Now we're gonna do it within the last 5 bars, okay? Because for the purpose of this video, we're doing it mostly for swing trading. Obviously, if you're doing day trading, you wanna look it up like 2-3 bars, all depending, right? Now we're gonna click here, save. Okay, and okay. and we're gonna see it right here. Now, on the purpose of this video is gonna be 30 within the 5 bar. What every single bar means for right now is gonna mean a day. So this means 5 days, right? If we change it here to the 3 minutes, it will mean during the last 3 minutes. All right, but we're gonna go click on the day, and we're gonna put save. Now to look for that scanner again, we go right here. Right here, personal, overreactions, and we see it right here. What we set up, and we're gonna go scan, and right here, see, we don't have that many on this one. Now again, if we don't have that many and you don't like the ones right here, we can start looking for different ones and see what we like. We can see Facebook right here, and we go to the 1 day. We can see how Facebook got massively destroyed and is starting to creep back on. All right, now we can also go back to our scanner, switch this to 4 hours, scan again, and now we have 59 different ones that we can look. Now we can see, for example, let's go with this one. Like it. All right, let's check this one real quick. SUI. We can see how it was pretty beat down, and it's starting to go back up the 180 SMA line and the 9 SMA line. So this might be a good opportunity. Let's change this real quick. Sorry. Okay, now, so we got really beat down. We see how we close over the 9 SMA line. For this stock, I would like to see the next 4 hours if it's gonna close on top of the 9 SMA line and the 180 SMA line, and it might be a good stock to take a position. Obviously, we want to look more into the company and everything else. All right. So that's basically everything about how to set up a momentum scanner and an overreaction scanner. All right. Make sure you watch this video carefully. Make sure you take notes and everything, because you need to make sure you set up this scanner the proper way. There is hundreds of different ways to set up this scanner for many other things. In our next video, we're gonna be setting up a scanner for swing trading opportunities only and a morning scanner. As always, make sure you subscribe to this video, and on the description below, if you need to open a new broker and you're thinking about Webull or thinkorswim, use my link so you can get some free stock. I will see you guys in my next video.